Hi guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my PrimeHost review. So guys, it's a simple software I am reviewing today that's gonna do a simple thing for you, and that is unlimited website hosting. So you can go and kick GoDaddy. You know what I mean. Because with this one you can pay once during the launch time, because after the launch time they say they will switch to a monthly payment plan. So during the launch you can get unlimited website domains and all of that hosting for one-time price. And yes, it's quite cool. So let's dive in and check out the sales page. I have the demo for you, so we'll talk about the demo as well, all of the prices, all of that, and some freebies surprise at the end. Alright, stay tuned, let's dive in. So here we are on the sales page, and it says PrimeHost. Stop paying hundreds of dollars every month to slow and difficult to use hosting services that lack critical security protection. Again, I like it a lot because it's a very simple to use software. Okay, so it's all been very simplified for you, and yes, it's got this, like, all of the security that but most of the softwares come with that security protection feature. Alright, anyhow, introducing the brand new Titan Core technology based hosting platform to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra fast and secure servers at an unbeatable one-time price, plus malware protection, fastest website loading speed, get 100 plus apps installed instantly. Yeah, all of those apps we will go you will see them later on for, like, for SEO, for because you need some, like, many apps really installed on your website, that will help you with well, my goodness, that would improve your website in terms of traffic, SEO optimization, this and that. Anyhow, so small one-time payment. Okay, so what you will get is you can host unlimited websites and domains, unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption, yeah, that's for security, unlimited bandwidth with unlimited databases, super fast and secure servers for lightning fast site loading speed, get your own personalized email accounts, and unlimited. I know with, like, some website hosting platforms like GoDaddy, they will actually charge you monthly for the business email accounts, which is, like, seriously a ripoff. Anyhow, one-click WordPress installation. You will see in the demo how fast it is with the WordPress installation, and then 100 plus click script installer, better and easy to use a panel. Okay, alternative panel instead of the C panel, right? But I'll show you the comparison chart where they compare, PrimeHost to other website hosting platforms like GoDaddy, Bluehost, and all of that, and completely newbie-friendly and no prior experience needed, and much more. Okay, guys, if you wish to purchase this software, you can grab it from me by all means, especially if you like my review, and then you just go below my video and just smash this get PrimeHost now, instant access, and that's how you buy it. So they say it takes only 3 simple steps to host your website with PrimeHost. So step number 1, what you're gonna do is one-click domain connect. So you connect your domain basically. Okay, so log into our ultra secure PrimeHost account and insert your domain name. You can add unlimited domains and unlimited website. That's amazing. Step number 2 is manage your hosting account using cutting-edge A-panel technology. So start managing and hosting account from our user-friendly and powerful control panel in just minutes. So you can, whatever you need to change in your website, you can just manage everything from inside the software. You can manage your website, right? Then step number 3 is install 100 plus web apps in one click. So web apps for protection, for SEO. That's what I was talking about earlier when I went a little bit like, you know. So, you know, apps for protection, for SEO, for traffic, for design, for images, and more. All in one click, auto active. All right, cool. So I'll just scroll right down to show you the two options you will have. They actually give you like, this is like a demo on the sales page, so you can rewatch it, but I'll play the demo and kind of like tell you what they're, you know, showing you in the demo. I'll talk over it. So yeah, but go and check the demo on the sales page as well, and the link is below my video, guys. So, you know, go through all of that information. There's like no nonsense information. They just, you know, talk about the features that you will actually get here. So, you know, it's no nonsense website for sure. Not website, sales page. Website. Anyhow, where was that comparison chart? And let me tell you the prices first. So you will have either 10 years payment for $47 and you get $5 off. So for $42, okay, for 10 years. But come on, guys, for 10 years, why don't you get the lifetime, which is like for the rest of your life, right? And for $67. So yeah, go ahead and use the coupons as well. As you can see, the coupons, apply the coupons. There's gonna be another coupon for the like the bundle, the like with all of the upsells, so the front end and all of the upsells. Then they'll give you like $30 coupon, but wait for that one. I'll give you that one later on. So stay tuned for that one. 30 days money back guarantee. And that's the guys behind it. I like them a lot. They really come up with amazing softwares, these guys. And here's some frequently asked questions. How many websites can I host with PrimeHost? Unlimited. Do I have to pay monthly subscription fee for PrimeHost? Right now, no. Currently, you can get access to PrimeHost at one-time cost, but after the launch, so the launch will be till the 10th of October. So that's Saturday, I believe. So after the launch special offer ends, you will have to pay monthly subscription fee for it, alright? So bear that in mind, guys. If you need it, just grab it. You know, if you change your mind at any point during the first 30 days, you can just return and you get the, you know, no question money back guarantee, 30 days, so the whole month. Anyhow, how long is the special offer available? So mind-blowing offer ends, okay, so on the 9th of August, as I said. And then it will be available at monthly subscription payment only. Okay. Please explain the money back guarantee, so 30 days. Is training and support included in the one-time payment? Yes, it is included, and you get the support. Can I move my existing website to PrimeHost, so from GoDaddy? Run away from GoDaddy and switch to that one. Such a way better deal, you know, because you get unlimited everything. So yes, absolutely without any restrictions and tech skills. We have all included in the step-by-step training guide for the same to help you get going in no time. Okay, so in the training it will be explained how to actually move from your existing website to hosting platform to this PrimeHost platform, which is cool. And I just wanted to show you, before we play the demo, to show you the comparison chart where they compare all of the features you get with this one. Oh yeah, there it is. They compare it to GoDaddy, Bluehost, and HostGator. So PrimeHost, you see everything is unlimited and it's faster, and the A panel is apparently easier and more powerful. And here you get, like, you know, guys, limited, and you get the C panel, which is apparently more difficult and not as powerful. And Ssl Certificate, you get up to 1 year. Here you get it for life. And with these ones, as you can see, you pay monthly, so anything from around $3 a month up to how much? Like $14 a month. So a no-brainer, really. It's cool. So let's check out the demo. Let's play the demo now. And I'll kind of use you. Let me just move my picture here so you can see the demo better. So let's go ahead and play it. So what I'm doing now, they'll be showing you all of the features. Okay, let me just see if it's playing. Yeah, so they're just showing you all of the features you have here. And I click for you and you can see that. So you have got the file management, and then the databases and the email accounts. That's where you like autoresponder as well. Okay, DNS functions, so if you change anything, but I'll show you now the WordPress. You'll see how it is, how easy it is to, you know, install the WordPress. Okay, so you just choose the domain. Okay, enter the title, and that's all of the themes you can, you know, pick here, and they'll be free. They'll be available here for you, so you just select themes. They look smart, professional too. You can always buy one. You can always buy one if you want something fancy, and then you just click on install, and yeah, it's going to install WordPress, and you'll see how fast it is. And there you go, it's installing WordPress. And let's see how long it's gonna take before the live. There you go. Yeah, the website is live. Amazing. Then there is the what are they showing now? Okay, that Ssl installation and the add-on domains. So again, you pick the domain basically, and just you click save, and it's all done. So they're just walking you through what you need to, how you go about connecting everything and installing. They're showing you the email accounts now. So you just add a new mailbox. Okay. So yeah, you just set everything up, the email, the password, and voila, just save all of the information. Okay, and then what else are they showing? That's the mail, that's the MySQL manager, and the DNS editor. You'll need to change it, like the autoresponder, so you just click on this one, add type record, and yeah, you will click on whichever you need to connect, because it's mainly to do with the autoresponder integration. But as you can see, it's quite technical here. Everything is quite technical. Okay, it's all done, the demo is done. So okay, if you're new to it, guys, you know the training is provided for you. But if you would be like switching from your existing domain, not domain, hosting platform to this one, you obviously know how it works, all of this, you know how to set it up, the installation, everything. So it's gonna be like a piece of cake for you. If not, if you're a newbie and you're just, you know, maybe starting and you're not doing very well yet, then obviously it would be like pointless to pay monthly for, you know, website hosting. Just grab it for one-time payment and see how it works. Don't commit yourself to monthly subscriptions if you're just starting. So it would be awesome for you to start with that, and you have the training provided. Everything is explained to you how to go about setting everything up. So, and if you have any questions, you're in the gray area, then just, you know, hit them up on support, and they'll answer your questions. I think those vendors are like really, you know, they're professional when it comes to support as well. Anyhow, so sorry, I'm just talking too much maybe, but funnel, that's the whole funnel. So the front end, we know it's either 47 with $5 off for the 10 years, or 47 but $5 off, so 42 and 97 with, actually they give you $20 off for now during the launch, so that would be actually 77 for the lifetime hosting. So okay, and then you have all of the OTOs, guys. I'm not gonna spend time talking about the OTOs because you can, you know, pause it, look at the prices now, and then anyhow, if you buy the front end, they will, you know, offer you all of the upsells. They'll present to you the whole funnel, so you know, if there's anything you want to pick up, you can, or you can always ask them questions like, this is what I need, just recommend me the most suitable upsell for me, or something like that. You can also get the bunch, like a bunch of not a bunch, a bundle the whole bundle that you get the front end and all of the upsells in it. Okay, and here are the coupons, guys. So this is the coupon for the, you know, $30 off on bundle deal. So yeah, pause the video and, you know, jot down the coupons. Alright, so we've come to the end. I just want to give you my surprise. So that's the video I made on bonuses, what I think about the whole concept, and video if you wish. You know, it's gonna be below this video. And if you go under this video, you know, in the description box of that video on bonuses, you will find a link that will give you access to a website where you register for free and get access to thousands, unlimited bonuses, guys. I don't lose my breath talking about bonuses. I just try and pick the best products out there and, you know, to bring them to life so they can shine like crazy diamonds, and just do my best, you know, to my current knowledge and ability to just, you know, walk you through and just help you make an educated decision. Alright, guys, that's all from me for today. Just grab it from the link below my video if you wish to buy it from me. Mwah! Love you and leave you. See you in the next one.